What's up, guys? Tonight I am gonna do a recipe for you. I am making, for the first time ever, enchiladas, but I got whole olives instead of what I needed, and I decided to, sorry about the beep, that's my meat. I decided to do the chicken off camera because it takes like an hour. Let me just move back over here for now. So I'm just gonna cut these up, and then I'm going to then I'll show you guys the rest. I have to cut the chicken as well. It'll probably fall apart, so it'll make it a lot easier, but it's a pretty easy, cheap meal. I seen a YouTube channel, I think it's TCG Fam. They did she was sharing like crock pot recipes, and it gave her the idea to do, it was like an enchilada crock pot recipe. So I got the idea from that to do enchiladas for the first time ever. And I'm just hoping that they turn out. I don't know. Anyways, we're doing the darn thing. And there's a lot of olives in that bowl, but I'm just going to do a few for now. Okay. Alright, so. Alright, so. Sorry if you can hear my kids in the background. They're back there. So I did everything off camera so that you guys would not have to like see it in real time. It was like, I don't know, an hour. Chicken all cut up. And I did this in the Instapot for an hour, and it just fell off. Like the breast, the bones, all of it was good. And then the olives, tortillas, cheese, and the enchilada sauce. Now this is green. I didn't know it was legit green. It says green, but I was like, okay, I've never made enchiladas before, so whatever, you know. I didn't know exactly what I was looking at. So you do the enchilada sauce first. You just kind of, I seen it like, it was red, so it was a lot easier to see. You guys can see that. And then you grab some olives, sprinkle it on. It smells really spicy. I hope it's not. And then, excuse me. And we're gonna throw some meat on here. I'm gonna use my hands. I washed my hands, so we're just gonna toss the meat in here, and then I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. You just roll it up. From what I understand, you roll it up, and then you put it in here. And I think the enchilada sauce is gonna make it stick, maybe. Oh, you know what I forgot? The cheese. My goodness, see? It's a good thing I looked. Or thought, I guess. So you can pretty much make it however you want. I'm going to put this on the sides to glue this together. And then we're just going to stick it in here. Move on to the next one. I'm going to move that back a little bit. So we're just going to keep going. Maybe next time I'll do like 10 pounds of meat or something. I'm not 100% sure how much there was there. I just kind of eyeballed it. I don't know. Then I'm not going to stick my hands in the bag because now I have meat on them. So do some cheese. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to fold it over, and I'm going to put it in my pan. I'm just going to keep going. I'm so glad I didn't open both of these because I don't think we'll be needing both, but I did grab 2 of them just in case. Like I said, I've never made them before, but I did see a recipe and I'm just kind of going off of what I've seen. Like I said, I got the idea from the TCG fam, but I got this recipe off of Google. She just posted like a crock pot recipe of this, like what do you call it, enchiladas. So I was like, oh, that looks really good, and then I looked up enchiladas and that's what I found, and they're really easy to make. This is easy. This is probably one of the easiest things I've ever made. You just stick it in here. Make sure that we got room for a bunch of them. Okay, I don't know if y'all hear that, but that's my cat. Okay, back to what we were doing. I feel like I should put a lot of meat in there. I don't know. You guys all know I have kids, so that's what you're hearing right now. The craziness in my house. Okay. The cat was just outside. I don't even think he was outside actually. I think he was downstairs, but he was making some weird noise like a dog. And I couldn't figure out what was happening. Alright, so this one's a little bit full, but that's okay. I might go back and put some like extra stuff in these, like some meat or something. I don't know, maybe not. I have 6 people in my family, so I'm doing 6. I'm gonna fill it as full as I can, and then probably do some more in another pan. But this is like super easy to make, and I think it's cost affordable. I don't think it even costed that much. We bought olives. We had the chicken. The chicken was already in the freezer, so I didn't have to buy that. All I had to buy was the sauce, the olives, and the meat, or the shell. So I mean, it wasn't that bad. It was definitely not. Yes, I washed my hands. I already told you guys that, but I say that because some people will be like, oh, you didn't wash your hands, we didn't see it on camera. Well, that's because I don't show everything on camera, especially when I'm at a party. It's kind of late, and we didn't get dinner until late tonight because we had to go do something, and so that was one of the things. Now, Christopher wanted jalapenos in his, but I don't think he needs them because they're already in this. So I don't even know if the kids will eat it or are gonna like it. We're gonna go with the flow though, guys. Go with the flow. Normally be shredded chicken, but I just did like what chicken I had. So I did like chicken legs and chicken thighs or something. It's just what I had here. I might as well use it up because I'm not really using it. So I did use it. It made more sense just to use it and get it done and over with than you guys, I am not like a measurer or anything type of person, and I don't know. I guess I need to look up new recipes and stuff because I don't really have a lot of recipes going on in my brain. Like, I have tons of meat, but I don't never know what to do with it. So I just kind of look stupid over here thinking, I don't know what to cook tonight. Yeah, about that. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 in there, which is perfect. I am going to dump the sauce on there, and then we're going to put the rest of what we need to put on there, and we're going to eat it. Now, minus all the stuff in the way, I'm going to show you guys what this looks like without a bunch of stuff in the way. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. We still have to put the cheese on the top and bake it. So you're gonna bake it for, I think it's like, I don't remember, I think it's like 40 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. Only because there's not a lot going on. Everything is cooked, so you're literally just baking the cheese and making these hard, and not really too hard, but you're gonna make it happen. Alright, so this is the end product, and I will get back to you guys when it's done. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and grab it out, the enchiladas out of the oven. And they look really yummy. We're going to plate them up. And they look very hot. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is what those two look like. I just made a couple extras. Spray in the pan, got it. Alright guys, that's what it looks like. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.